We live in a time when technology isn't merely an enabler, it is the very lifeblood of modern industry. Yet, as organizations harness the power of digital transformation, one challenge looms large and often unaddressed: software license management. In our interconnected world, where every line of code and every digital asset counts, managing software licenses isn't just an administrative task, it's a strategic imperative. Let's be clear. In today's environment, the challenges of software license audits and management are both unprecedented and multifaceted. We face an era of skyrocketing audit frequencies, where vendors, armed with sophisticated tools, can expose inefficiencies, force us into costly settlements, and disrupt our operations. Many companies find themselves caught off guard by audits that consume valuable time and resources that could otherwise fuel innovation and growth. Imagine this: your organization invests millions in cutting-edge software, only to discover that a mismanaged license, or a minor oversight in compliance, has turned that investment into a financial liability. This isn't a distant hypothetical, it's a reality for many companies today. The root of the problem lies in the complexity of our software environments. Traditional licensing models, based on static, one-size-fits-all agreements, are increasingly at odds with a dynamic, multi-cloud, and SaaS-dominated landscape. As businesses migrate to cloud platforms and adopt agile, subscription-based models, the tools and processes designed for a bygone era simply can't keep pace. Now, I ask you, are we truly in control of our digital assets? Or are we merely reactive, scrambling to meet the demands of surprise audits and unplanned license reconciliations? The current challenges are clear. Outdated tracking methods, inadequate visibility across hybrid environments, and the ever-present risk of non-compliance that can result in millions of dollars in unexpected liabilities. But here's the opportunity: the future of software license management promises to turn these challenges into strategic advantages. Think about it: by embracing innovation, we can transform our approach from one of reactive firefighting to proactive leadership. Imagine using artificial intelligence and predictive analytics to forecast your software usage patterns with surgical precision. With real-time data at your fingertips, you can identify underutilized licenses, reallocate resources, and even negotiate better terms with vendors, all before an audit finds fault. We are entering a new era where automation isn't just a buzzword. It's a practical tool that can monitor usage continuously, flag discrepancies immediately, and free up your IT teams to focus on strategic priorities. Advanced license management solutions will integrate seamlessly with your overall IT asset management, providing a unified, comprehensive view of all your digital assets. This holistic perspective is crucial for eliminating waste, ensuring compliance, and ultimately, reducing costs by up to 30% or more, as industry leaders have projected. Furthermore, the evolution of licensing models themselves is set to reshape the entire landscape. We're seeing a gradual shift towards usage-based and feature-based licensing, which means you pay only for what you use and the features that drive value. This flexibility is not just cost-effective, it's empowering. It allows businesses to scale up rapidly during growth phases and scale down when necessary, ensuring that every dollar spent is directly tied to operational performance and business outcomes. Let's also consider the role of emerging technologies like blockchain. By creating immutable, transparent ledgers of license transactions, blockchain can fundamentally change the trust equation between vendors and customers. It offers a way to verify compliance without the usual friction of audits, a system where accountability is built into the very fabric of the transaction. In this transformation, it's not enough to adopt a new tool or update a process. We must cultivate a culture of continuous improvement, a mindset that recognizes that software license management is not a one-time exercise, but an ongoing strategic function. This requires leadership, vision, and a willingness to challenge the status quo. We must invest in talent, in training, and in the technologies that will carry us into the future. So, as we stand on the threshold of tomorrow, I urge each of you to take a hard look at your organization's software asset management practices. Ask yourselves, are we equipped to meet the challenges of today? And more importantly, are we positioned to seize the opportunities of tomorrow? It's time to move beyond a reactive approach. Let us lead the charge by embracing innovation, harnessing cutting-edge technologies, and establishing processes that are as dynamic and forward-thinking as the software we rely on. The future of software license management is not a burden, it is a tremendous opportunity to unlock efficiency, drive down costs, and fuel the next wave of digital transformation. In conclusion, the challenges before us are real, but so is our potential. Let's transform these challenges into a strategic advantage. Let's ensure that every software asset is a well-managed, value-driving component of our organization. Together, we can create a future where compliance is a given, costs are optimized, and innovation knows no bounds. Thank you for listening. Please follow, comment, and join the discussion.